get the adventure. Every day. One problem to another. Chekwa de kolo, wahala papa. Everything about the Chekwa now.
I'm gonna what? I go train for places so you go cry for the rest of your life.
What's up, my people on the day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So, guys, please make sure to watch to the very end, because trust me, now the best. You're about to experience the funniest video you've ever seen. You get me? So, just watch to the very end. Drop nice comments. Subscribe if you're yet to do that, and remember to share this video. It's important. You get so. Don't play, my people. Don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Oluchi 73, Oluchi 74, Oluchi 75, Oluchi 76, Oluchi 77, Oluchi.
A few moments later.
You want to re-election?
Oluchi 412. I won. Back to your spot here. You know I'm a changed man now.
God have
everything
mercy
you are doing
upon
here is transparent. Now sign under 12. Under 12, oh.
I don't know why he's going
Democracy. They decrease. Now that we are done with this election, it's time to show the world the result. So please show them the result, eh?
Hey! 12 votes. Hey!
This is not my result.
Hey!
This is not my result. We have evidence. Meet us in court.
Good
job. Thank you. Evidence. Deji, do something. Yes, I will make sure I sue. This is tough with his signature boldly written on it. We are far ahead. Do something, Deji.
See creativity artist.
This guy never enjoy anything original since they born him. This country, this country show this guy shaggi. You know how he take by? No, I don't know. He carry all these girls with big nyash now, BBA. Fake nyash. He carry the girl go one lounge, make they go chi. They can't give her fake drink.
That's it, they go.
Fake drink, he drink fake drink finish. He go pharmacy, may go buy drugs.
They give him fake drugs.
When he worry him. Now fake drugs he still buy.
Everything fake.
I go the person.
Even go hospital safe. The doctor will attend to him. He no graduate well.
Fake doctor.
Result, that one take turn doctor.
Fake doctor.
This guy don't suffer. This guy. You know see as he did. No casket now. The casket where they go buy for him. A fake wood. He fall. And they put her like that now. The guy don't suffer. See pastor where they preach for him.
Fake pastor.
No be fake pastor.
I want to use this barrier as a medium to raise everything that is dead around you. I want 8 persons to call with 10,000 naira and connect with the oil on my hand.
For burial.
10,000 naira. If you have 5,000 naira, join them. I hear so clear. I want to raise dead men here.
But at least he enjoy mother love. You see where they adopt.
See, adopt them. But water, how you take know all these things? You sure say not be fake news?
Abi? You don't be talking again.
Hey, welcome. You're a big boy. How is America?
Uncle America is fine.
Welcome, man. Welcome to Africa, no, man. Yeah! What be this? Don't let this one bother you. Let's go inside. Come inside. Jesus.
It's nice to come.
The same path, got on different but we got different views. I got a couple cars. I never get to use. Don't like
If you no agree on. No bathroom. Ah, got it. Got it. Be right.
There, like I said, welcome to an African home. There, you never see it.
No, you're let devil, you're you.
Sit down now, We'll take care of you, we'll spoil you, Abby.
Yes, now. Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
What's going on now?
Oh no!
Ouch him.
Oh, the struggle.
Rice.
Oh! Why you guys finish me with rice? Morning rice, afternoon rice. I'm going back to the States. It's sweet now. Hey, I'm passing my bag, Larry.
You don't run from rice.
I'm sick and I'm tired of this house.
No now. There I know now,
Uncle, I'm tired of this rice. Morning rice, afternoon rice. Since I came with rice everywhere. In the shower, rice.
This same rice you're talking about. That is what my father used to train me. And your father too, my brother. Even our grandfather. And our great grandfathers. Rice has been passed down from generation to generation. I understand that people in America don't eat rice like us. But this is an African home.
Uncle, it's not that, but just that at least I want to eat something different.
Don't worry, my son. I will prepare something different for you.
Get him water.
Rice.
Jesus!
Rice water.
Jesus!
Oh, this woman. Why did you give him cold water now?
Cold water be cold rice.
That client don't reply. I swear to God, I tell you.
Which client? Dollarz.
That one where you show me.
Which one I show you?
Yes,
Client, Dollarz.
That I know.
Which client now?
Before posting.
Shit, but come on,
You don't go implicate yourself.
Calm down. Now this guy pick last.
Now this guy pick last. How you started?
I won't even take Chris Bado now, safe.
Icebody, is this you?
Nah, lie. Afro, do you recognize me? How do you do ask girl for the place I think they do security before for Mama Vero place?
Exactly.
Jesus.
This life. Guys, I remember what you did to me back then. If I want to go and sneak out, like if I want to sneak out to go and give my boyfriend food, you know, go green, you go log it. I will beg you, you will not.
You still remember all those things? Those ones don't follow last year ago now.
I really took your job so personal. And obviously, you're still working there right now.
So, I see they work. Now my 4th year be this now.
You know, back then, I know say you know get future.
Jesus.
God don't bless you.
So where are you heading to?
I dey go Bado. I just make a follow shortcut so like go fast for me. You understand now?
Oh.
Now you get this motor.
Yeah, actually, it's one of my cars.
I hear you.
Okay, you said you're going to Badore, right?
I dey go Bado, but don't get transport fare. I dey trek they go before.
I don't mind helping you, but your phones will circulate inside this car. It won't look good.
Say insult. Let's have it.
You know what? Just hop in. You should hang on.
I should hang.
Hang. You go hang, Abi, you no go hang.
Let's watch this video so that I have some 1 or 2 things to tell you.
What is that? Yeah! The blood of Jesus.
Let me hang for you. Let me hang on top you.
God, how you do? Where's your thunder?
70 years old man.
What type of
Body catch entertainment.
Babe, please, I'm sorry now.
I'm done with this relationship.
Babe, we can stop this thing out.
No, I don't want this. I don't want this.
What type of playing?
Can you imagine?
Hi.
Hi.
Please excuse me.
Any problem?
Do I know you?
I don't understand. Which one do I know you? Nobody call me just now. Which kind of vibe is this?
So you look like someone I gave my number to.
Not be me.
I'm sorry, you look like a guy I gave my number to 3 months ago at ShopRite.
3 months ago.
Bisola.
Yes.
Davis.
Yes. What's that your name again?
Yash.
MC. My name is Yash. As I tell you, when they go place, they shut down club, they do this on things, they call me Yash money. When I they call me, I know I like you call me.
Yash money.
Yes, and that one I choose that day.
So why didn't you call me?
MC. You know, say we guys like this now, they collect girl number based on what they expect. And sometimes now what we expect if no come, we can't forget to call the girl. Now why you be like that?
Are you trying to impress me?
No, no, it's I want to impress you. Just I want to be like when you come to press you something. I make you do all right now.
Should have just called.
No, I'll see your number. I'll call you.
All right.
So where do you go like this?
I just want to go and get something at the supermarket.
Supermarket?
Yes.
See, I for escort you, but the thing is I want to go buy something for outside the estate gate.
Loud?
No, not be loud. No, normal provision now.
But you can get it at the supermarket now.
MC, I know. But you know, say the supermarket within inside state, so they all the dear. Someone just buy for outside gate, no the matter.
Don't worry, I'll get it for you.
You get that for me?
Yes.
Wait, you know, say everything I want buy for inside the estate now go reach like 100,000.
Don't worry.
You mean that?
Yes.
Blast! Come on, let's say we spec. See, this expectation, heavy good, I will be too massive there.
No problem.
Yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
Different now.
Please support with the follow. Hey.
Dissolve!
Sunshine! See, well done though. I'm afraid to look at you. What are you doing with this chief?
You know, Chief.
What's going on here?
These estates. Yeah, I'm tired of this country. All my friends have traveled out. It's only me. Now only me remain for here. He promised to give me money to travel out.
You know with 1,000 naira you can travel out of this country.
You mean now?
Oh, you have to do visit www.theworldmegatravel.com. Play the raffle draw now.
I don't start again.
Let me shock you. You can win cash prize. You can win home appliances. You can win free international passport. Let me even shock your wobble. All expense paid trip to any country of your choice.
You mean now?
Yes, now.
Maybe if you win.
I won't hurt you. I left him last month because he contracted HIV. Natasha, anything you want to do, just use protection, Sha. Okay?
Chief, bye-bye.
Mommy. No need to even follow me inside there. Let me go and bring the dollar for you. Guess what? I'll add extra because you did me this morning. Oh, I'll see you next weekend. I'm coming,
You don't even do already, sir. Boy, you don't use protection. Use protection. Brotherhood is.
Guys, this game makes sense. Bro, this game stretch. Guy, I like a bro. Bro, approach him. You see what? I say me approach this girl now. Guy, you get set like you see my body. Bro, you don't say you fresh, you get car, you fine guy. Bro, this year, go approach this girl. Go now, leave this car, bro. Guy.
This is the way they do like simp. You know they do like simp already, sir.
They go now.
You like what you see?
Brotherhood already disappointed from the onset, sir.
One problem to another.
Guy, you go see when you come down.
I'm going to try for places to go cry for the rest of your life.
This guy don't get
This is the land I just prefer to design my shop. I just got this land property from P Real Estate Company.
Did you say P?
Of course, engineer, yes.
P1 Bisaka?
Yes, yes, of course.
Your money don't go. Lord,
I have my receipt. Here's my receipt.
Go and look for another land. You not ready for my papa land. I know that you.
P1. See what they cost. P1 estate.
Yes, I just got the land sold to me, and I make some people pay. Just have to call on me. I'm going to report to the police this. Officer, I bought a landed property from the wrong person, and it's an ancestral land.
Don't let it relax. I got you. Who is this person?
I bought it from Mr. P.
P for peace, man.
Officer, no. I bought it from Mr. P Real Estate. You want? Mr. P Real Estate is the one.
Is she the one you came to complain about?
You know we have so many cases here.
Jesus.
But we can put this one amount too.
I got you. Your money go increase very well.
That was no problem, man.
Officer Bob, arrest her.
Stop complaining now. P1 made they arrest you. Come inside.
P1. See what they do yourself.
Chairman, I know they sleep. If I run me my package before you go.
Okay.
Here in a restroom now. Make I ease myself. I go run your TF now.
Eh, make I see am o. Make I see am o.
No worry. Seeing is believing.
You go faint, oh. You go faint. Body go tell you.
Jesus.
What's going on?
Chama, I beg, don't take my life, eh? Take the money, but spare my life.
Can you imagine?
No.
Okay, you want to drive with another person?
Hey, what's it be time?
They don't break up.
She hold that. Make I ease myself before you go.
Hey, Shema.
Waiting.
If I look transfer, they go.
No worry, eh? Make I ease myself finish. I go run out for you.
Might see my money, oh.
No worry. When you see him, confirm him.
You didn't try me. You know, I'm a wicked man.
It's the one.
It's a more.
I beg you. No be easy more.
Hey, this is a get power.
Because you're that name.
You go faint.
The young person will get the real power. What's it happen now?